Today, we're going to do a project that's called Make the Moon Rise After the Sun Sets. The first thing we need to do is open up our ScratchJr app. We're going to go to our launcher button and click on the Scratch Cat. Then we're going to wait for it to load. After it finishes loading, we're going to click on the House button, and then we're going to click on the blue plus sign to create a new project. This is a two-part project. First, we have to make the sun set, and then we have to make the moon rise. First, we have to set up our sunset. We're going to get rid of our scratch cat by clicking and holding, and then clicking on X. Then I'm going to go up to my backgrounds button, and I'm going to click on the park background, and then click on the check mark to add it. Now I'm going to add a sun. I'm going to go over to my characters button and click on the plus sign. And then I'm going to scroll down until I see the sun character. I'm going to click on it, then click the check mark. It's time to put the sun in the sky. Now we're going to be using some new tools. We're going to be using the cut tool, and we're going to be using a go to the page block tool. So now it's time to start the second part of our project. We're going to click on the blue plus sign to make a new page. Then we're going to get rid of our cat, again, clicking and holding, and then clicking on the X. Now if I look at my project card, I'm going to click on a new character, and I'm going to find the moon, the crescent moon. So we have a whole moon. I don't want that one. I want the crescent moon that looks like this. Then I'm going to click on the check mark to add it. The next thing that I have to do is choose a background, and I have to remove the background's moon so I can use the character moon that I just created. So I'm going to go up to the new backgrounds tab, and I'm going to find the lake background. That's this one right here, and I'm going to click on it. Now, I'm going to click on the paintbrush tool. This is going to bring me to the paint editor, just like we've done with our characters. I'm going to click on the scissors button, and then I'm going to click on the moon that's in that background, and it's going to get rid of it. Now, I'm going to go up and click on the check mark. It's time to make my program. So I'm going to go back to my first page. I'm going to use the program that's on my project card. So we're going to be going to the triggering blocks, and we're going to use the green flag for our triggering block today. Then we're going to go to the motion block, and we're going to use the down block, and instead of a 1, we're going to change it to a 3. Then we're going to our pink looks blocks, and we are going to drag the hide block and connect it to our code. Then this is where we're going to use another new tool. We're going to go to our end blocks. Instead of using the regular end block, I have a new end block over here. This is the go to the next page block. When I drag this down at the end of this program, it will take me to the next page. Watch, I'm going to click on the green flag. It disappeared, and then it brings me to my next page. This is perfect because I need to add the code for my moon. So I'm going to start with my triggering block, and I'm going to use the green flag triggering block. Then I'm going to use my motion block to go up 7 spaces. Then I'm going to click on my end blocks, and I'm going to use my regular end block. Now I'm going to test this. I'm going to click on my flag. Ooh, that went a little high for me. So instead, I'm going to drag it back down a little bit. I'm going to click on my flag again. Ooh, that's better. I like where that ended up. Now it's time to try out our project. I'm going to click back on my first page, and I'm going to click on my flag, and we're going to watch the sun set and then the moon rise. The sun is setting. Now the moon is rising. Okay, your turn. Happy coding.